everyone, Minnie's Handbags here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and for some reason you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys, because it's absolutely free to you. And I want to say welcome back to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So we are going to jump straight into this haul video, guys. So I have a few items to share with you guys from Michael Kors and Dooney and Burke. Now I did take the time to go ahead and already at least open the box, so this haul will not be that long. So let's get ahead and start off with Dooney and Burke. I did pick up 2 items from there. So the first item came in this box, and this is how it is looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Now I did get another catalog, guys, for the canvas collection. So I picked up another cosmetic case from Dooney and Burke. Now this came off the I Love Dooney site, and this is in the color watermelon. Okay. And I don't have anything in my collection from Dooney and Burke in the color watermelon, but I wanted to see if it was going to pair with some other color bags that I do have in my collection. Now this is the tag for it. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but this color is actually, is it showing up? Yeah, it's showing up pretty much. It's close. It's a little bit lighter on camera than what it is in person, but I am loving this print. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now I know you guys have seen the cosmetic case a few times, so we are not going to stay on that long. It does have the gold Dooney and Burke plate on the front. It has the top zipper. The zipper pull does have the braided zipper pull on it. It does come with a back slip pocket and that red interior, and then the leather Dooney and Burke patch in the inside, y'all. I absolutely love Dooney and Burke cosmetic cases, and I really hope Peter brings this out in some leather for us as well too, because these bad boys, they hold a lot. So if you hadn't checked out the cosmetic cases, definitely head over to I Love Dooney, because they do have some still available. Now I'm not sure what the prices are of them now. I think I picked this one up, it was on sale for like $35 if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the price on the screen, but I'm pretty sure it was either between $35 and $45 that I paid for this, or was it? Y'all, I'll put the price on the screen, okay? But that's how it looks. It does say Dooney and Burke here, and here as well too. So yeah, absolutely cute. And then right there as well too. So I absolutely love these guys. This is number 4 for me when it comes to their cosmetic cases. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next box. And yes, this is exactly how my box came to me, y'all. And I was like, I had to peek inside to make sure that my item was still in here. But this is how my box came to me. All right, so this is another SLG. I'm just going to move my receipt. As you can see, my item is in there and wrapped. And I'm just over the packaging at this point. As long as my item is in the package and it's not damaged, I'm good. I'm not even sweating it no more. All right, so this is the Dooney and Burke small coin case. Y'all, I absolutely love Dooney and Burke small coin cases for so many reasons. These things are so versatile. And I picked this up in the color hot pink. Now I recently did pick up a satchel in the color hot pink, so I wanted some accessories to match with it, and I needed the small coin case because I use this as my key holder for my car keys and my house keys. Now this does come with a zipper compartment here on the front. So there's the first zipper compartment. It has gold hardware. It has the Dooney and Burke plate. I love the fact that it has piping going all the way around it. It does have a slip pocket here on the back. The top is trimmed in that beautiful leather. And then on the top, you do get an open compartment. You get your key hook as well too. Now you can use this as a small wallet to hold your cards, some cash, coins. You can use it for your key fob like I do. You can put candy in here. You can put your pills in here if you wanted to. You can use this for like some of your feminine products. Like, this little pouch is so versatile and I absolutely love it, y'all. And I believe I picked this up. This, I believe, was on sale for like $25. So moving along, that was everything that I picked up from Dooney and Burke. Next is going to be Michael Kors. Now, I did recently do a Michael Kors haul for you guys, so this is part 2 of it. And I picked up, as you can probably tell from the box, a pair of shoes. So, okay. And this particular one I did pick up from I had to get them to order it because they did not have this, my size I should say, in my outlet store. So I had to get this from another store, and they sent me one of those pay links through my email. And yeah, they sent it to me. So this is the pair of shoes that I picked up, and these are the Katrina Wedge trainer and the ombre. So if you guys can see that, hopefully it's focused, but it is the Michael Kors Katrina trainer and the ombre and the jungle green, y'all. I absolutely love these. Now, I do already have a pair of these in the dragon fruit color, and I absolutely love it. So you do get your jungle green here on the back. It does say MK here on the back. And then you do get your ombre effect on the side with the MK signatures. And then the bottom of the shoe is predominantly the jungle green. And you do get the MK signature in white as well too, with the white shoelaces. And then of course the inside is in that jungle green as well too. Now, I believe I picked this one up in a size 10. Yes, so this is a 10 medium. The one that I have in dragon fruit is 11. And I picked it up in 11 because they didn't have a 10 at the store. And the 11 still fit me really comfortable. And I just figured I had to size up anyway. But when I went to go pick these ones up in store, they did have a 10 available, but they didn't have an 11. And that's what I asked for. I asked for an 11. And she was like, well, we don't have an 11, but we do have a 10 in a different color. So I said, okay, cool. So I said, let me try the 10 on in a different color before I go ahead and get you to call the other store and get them to send me a pay link. So when I tried it on, I was like, oh, wait a minute. The 10 do fit me. I'm like, okay. So I was like, yeah, go ahead and call them so they can send me that pay link so I can get my shoes. Now, these were on sale. I don't remember exactly what I paid for, but I will pop the price somewhere on the screen for you guys. But I absolutely love these. These are so cute and adorable. So just so you can see both pairs together. Absolutely cute, y'all. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the bag as well too. Okay, so let's move on to my last purchase, this box. And like I said, I went ahead and opened this up so that it wasn't going to be too much. And as you can see, it is another Michael Kors, and I did have this one gift wrap just because I just felt like it. So that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take the ribbon off and open it up and see what I got, y'all. All right. So it is another Michael Kors shoe. All right. Move all the tissue paper out the way. And here we go, guys. Now, this particular one is the Katrina trainer. And it is in the powder blush color. And this is a size 11. Now, I ordered these before I ordered the jungle green ones. So, had I had known the 10 fit me, I would have just got this in a 10. But this is the Katrina trainer in the powder blush color. And I do have a powder blush bag, so I do want to see how this looks with the bag. So you do get the powder blush on the bottom with the MK. It does say Michael Kors, and then of course you get the Michael Kors signature in that powder blush. The MKs are in white. I love the look of the shoelaces, where you get the loops for the shoelaces are in powder blush. The tongue is also in that white and powder blush. And then the interior is all powder blush. I absolutely love that. And I love the powder blush that's here too as well, guys. So this is what both of the sneakers look like side by side. So you guys can see it. Okay. Absolutely cute, guys. All right, so let me grab the bag so you can see what the bag looks like with both of the sneakers. All right, guys, so I am back. So here is my Michael Kors duffel in the dark powder blush. And here are my shoes. Y'all, this is so cute. Whew, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to wear these. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, y'all. This is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, it is so cute. So cute. So, yep, that is the powder blush Katrina trainer with my medium duffel from Michael Kors. So we'll just set that there. Y'all get a little eye candy in the background. And then next is the Katrina, again, with the jungle green. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I'm done. Let me end this video right now. Y'all, please don't mind me, but this is gorgeous. Do y'all see that? Child, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. It's over. This is so cute. I am so loving this, y'all. This is so beautiful. Y'all, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing when I wear this. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Do y'all see the eye candy? Woo. Y'all, back in the day, I was a true sneakerhead, so y'all can't mind me. It's like, this is just so stinking cute. I cannot wait to throw an outfit together for that and share that with you guys. But in the meantime, guys, if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, because it's absolutely free to you guys. Also, make sure to like this video, leave a nice comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any of the Michael Kors sneakers in your collection, and let me know if you like them or don't like them. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.